Let's try to solve a centuries-old question. Which one is the king of blues? Ultramarine blue, or is it cerulean blue? I will do a comparison between the two colors by mixing both of them with other colors, and we will see how both colors behave. I'm stretching the paint first so that we can see the colors better. I will start with mixing both colors with white. We can see that the cerulean blue mixed with white looks so vibrant compared with the ultramarine mixture. I would prefer the cerulean blue mixed with white for painting skies, for example. It's more vivid and has a higher chroma. But I would use the ultramarine mixture for painting highlights in far away or in mid-ground hills and mountains when painting landscapes. I would love to hear your opinions in the comments. Let's mix both of them with yellow. Look how beautiful and powerful the green that we got by mixing cerulean blue with yellow. It is so full of life. While the green that we got by mixing yellow with ultramarine blue looks a little bit dull. I would use the green I got from mixing yellow with ultramarine blue for painting foliage and grass that are not under a direct sunlight when painting landscapes. But I would prefer to use the green I got from the cerulean blue mixed with yellow for painting bright grass in the foreground when painting landscapes. But that's me. What do you think? Now I will mix both of them with red and white. Once again, in my opinion, the one mixed with cerulean blue looks more vibrant than the mixture of the ultramarine blue. But I will let you judge. Let me know in the comments which blue wins, ultramarine blue or cerulean blue. Which one is the king of blues? Thanks for watching. See you next time.